The overall theme of EDF this year is exploiting data integration. Where do you see the highest potential for business cases and societal impact regarding innovation around data integration?
We chose the topic of data integration for this year's conference because it's at the heart of most of the business cases and use cases we can imagine for innovative scenarios. Because in general, not the sheer amount of data is the problem, but the heterogeneity of the data, the different types, the different sources, from unstructured data all the way to structured data, and just the combination of both is essential, from mobility over health, energy, in all these areas, it's essential.
Okay, could you think of your favorite success story regarding data integration of data from different sources, heterogeneous data? Just if you have it.
Yeah, in the area of simulation, we are working a lot with the automotive companies, and in the simulation arena, we on the one hand have the structured data coming out of the simulation engines, and on the other hand, then the reports which are being produced, the insights which are written down on this, and we have had the opportunity to work with a number of OEMs together to design a system which makes the reuse of simulation data together with the insights gained in the past, the directions which were taken out of them, and then can then be applied to future situations. So this is a very exciting topic, and I think this works really well now.
This year is the 4th edition of European Data Forum. How do you like EDF this year? And why do you think the forum is important for the European data economy?
Well, of course, as a general chair this year, I specifically like it. I think every year it's getting bigger and bigger and more professional. I absolutely enjoy this gorgeous location. So thank you very much to the local organizers who put all of this together. So I think such an environment really gives a great opportunity for people from different areas to meet. And the EDF is a very essential part of the community because it really brings together policymakers, industry people, and researchers all together, and makes them mingle and discuss new ideas. And basically, it's a yearly meeting, and we all enjoy coming to the conference and meet each other again.
Big data and smart data are the two most popular data trends these days. Where do you see the biggest challenges regarding these trends for Europe, and where is Europe already leading in these areas?
Well, we just finished a very interesting panel with keynote speakers from sessions 1 and 2, and I think one of the topics which emerged there is the platform aspect. So the question for Europe, in my opinion, is how can we create platforms which enable us to share data across companies and have them be able to reuse the data without having the problem of privacy, security, all these kind of issues. So I think, as we know, the largest platforms are the ones which are most successful. They generate more data, they generate use data, they have the possibility of playing the brokerage role, and I think that will be very essential in the future to take on that role, and I think at that part Europe still has some way to go. In respect to where Europe already is playing a leading role, I think there is a tremendous effort and results already in the integration of domain knowledge together with analytics knowledge. So, on the one hand, having data analysts who have all the tools and the methods in order to design, to analyze the data, and on the other hand, to really have the domain experts together to interpret the results of the analytics. And I think here there is a lot of applied research and applied activities going on. I think we have a very nice starting point here.